Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Today we're going to change a filter on an air handler, or as other people might have, a furnace. And there's a few things on filters that you want to be aware of. Number one, there's an airflow direction. There's a little arrow as to the air entering the furnace. Make sure that the airflow is facing the proper direction. The next important thing is the size of the filter. In this case, it's a 16 by 20 by 1 inch thick filter that I'll be sliding in. There's also a rating, which I'll show you on the side of the filter, which is a MERV rating. That's minimum efficiency reporting value. In this case, this filter is rated at 11. Typically, filters would be a MERV rating of 8, between 8 and 11 for residential use. The higher the number, the more it'll filter out small particulates. There's also a recommendation on how often to change the filter, depending on whether the environment you're operating in is dirty, or the type of filter you're using. It could be once a month, it could be every couple months or 3 months. Definitely read the information on your furnace and your filter. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and show you what the filter looks like here. There's the filter on the outside of the air handler. We are going to slide that out to the left and replace it. I'm going to show you a filter here, and there's that on the left hand side. There's that little blue arrow which shows airflow. In this case, it's a MERV rating of 11. The size is 16 by 20 by 1. So the airflow is going into that furnace. Let's come in here. Let's slide this furnace filter right out. There we are. That's out. Now we're going to put the new one in, if we got it going in the right orientation. The airflow is entering the furnace. There we go. That's exactly what you have to do to keep the air quality in your home up to snuff. If you like the video, please press subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.